place your credit card on the top sensing area of the payment device as prompted on the screen. Please insert the cash into the payment device as guided on the screen. The phone case is currently being made, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. You can check the production progress on the device's screen. Case has been completed. Please pick it up from the pickup slot. We look forward to your next visit.
Vending machine. Professional customization.